Take a ride in the 2008 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, XM satellite radio, running boards, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, heated seats, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.